What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to uninstall Fortnite. If that sounds like a good video to you, please subscribe. This is going to help you out. Maybe check out some of our other videos as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down to our search tab, click that, and we're going to look for the Epic Games launcher. Go ahead and click on that. This is the launcher that has all of Epic's games on it, as well as the Unreal Engine. We're going to come over to our library here. Go ahead and click that. And we have Fortnite right here. We're going to go to these three little dots right here and click those. And some options are going to pop up. We're going to come over to uninstall and we're going to click it. Go ahead and confirm. It's going to prepare for a little bit. And there you go. It is no longer installed. So if we exit out of this and we come down to our add or remove programs in the settings, we're going to click on our search apps. We're going to type in Fortnite. And we couldn't find anything here to show you. That means it's no longer there. So there you go. If that was helpful, please leave a comment, like the video, and we'll see you later.